Hello friends. In this video you know about how to connect any Wi-Fi without password. You can also share your mobile hotspot without sharing password. So without wasting time, let's start the video. We need to download an app for connecting to any Wi-Fi. So open the Play Store to get the app. Search here for Wi-Fi link. See the app interface. Download and install this app. After installing, open the app. You can read or skip these instructions. Open your mobile Wi-Fi for searching Wi-Fi networks. Here you see the option of QR code. Open this QR code and simply scan with another phone's camera, with which you want to share your mobile hotspot. If you want to connect with Wi-Fi, then follow the reverse process. So, by this simple trick you can connect to Wi-Fi or share hotspot without sharing password. Please rate this video by giving like or dislike. Also make comments and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.